Sharing login credentials gets old fast, slows everyone down, and compromises security. Teammate Manager allows each easy texting user on your team to work under their own unique credentials, which means no more sharing logins. Providing individual users with custom credentials empowers them to send their own text campaigns, view responses, and conduct two-way conversations. It also means you can maintain the highest level of account safety and security while streamlining productivity and empowering your team. And you don't have to worry about keeping tabs on who has access and who doesn't, because maintaining full control of users is effortless. It's as simple as adding or removing a contact. Manage users, track invite status, and view permission levels at a glance with all your important stats viewable in one user-friendly place. Now you're sending safer and smarter with Easy Texting.